Last year, Mary Brandt from Pacific Samisjärvi took me to Port Townsend to look at some historical Sami places there. And we ended up on this beautiful Victorian hotel. But for me, it was also a bit spooky because it was Halloween season, and also this hotel was like traveling back in time. Are you gonna be scared?
Are you scared?
I'm a little bit scared.
I am too.
Come look at my room, Mary.
Ooh,
Look at my room.
yours isn't so spooky.
Are you sure it's not spooky?
Oh my god. Oh my god. What are we doing?
I hope we get to sleep well.
Do you think we're gonna sleep here?
Yeah, I think so. Well, do you think this is less spooky than yours?
Yeah.
No, but I feel...
I've walked into hotels before where I feel.
Yeah, you have?
Mm-hmm.
But luckily we knew about this old Sami trick, which is to yoik in the room and tell the ghost that we mean no harm, we just want to sleep there peacefully for the night and we'll be gone tomorrow. So we slept really well in the room, no ghosts there, and the next day we woke up, we were just loving the hotel. We fell in love with this hotel for sure after that. It was great.